Hi guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Look what I just made. These delicious, really quick and yummy, I have to tell you, chicken tenders. So check out that recipe. Today I'm excited because I'm on a chicken kick and I'm gonna make chicken cutlets with you. So really easy. I have my rock grill on the stove right now, and I have it on a medium to high heat, and I've sprayed it really well with some olive oil, okay? Olive oil spray. And you can use regular olive oil if you want. I have 6 pieces of thin chicken. Now, honestly, you can find it in the store pretty much like thin, or you take one of these like mallets, and then I just put it in a baggie and I just smash it. Really, really easy. And I'm just going to show you. So I just take it and I just bang it, and it's a good way to get out your frustration if you're in a bad mood. And you just bang it a little bit, and voila. It takes seconds to just make it thin, all right? And I think I got that gadget just at the dollar store. So the thing that I like, of course, and you know from all my recipes, is I like seasonings and I like things flavorful, okay? Just make sure that's on a low heat. Okay, so what I have here is a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of some paprika. You can use smoked paprika. And I'm going to use today some barbecue seasoning by Clubhouse, okay? And you can use whatever seasoning you want. This is for the crumbs. This is for the chicken, and then we'll put some stuff in the crumbs, and I'll get to that. So we're just going to add the chicken to a bowl. Just put it all together, and then just mix it. I like to just use my hand, and if you know you're making this ahead of time and you want to marinate your chicken, it's not necessary, but marinating always makes things taste a lot better, right? Of course, you know I'm right. So we usually let that sit. I'm just going to wipe my hands, and then all we're going to use for the seasonings, for the coating, is a 1/4 cup of, I'm using seasoned breadcrumbs. Okay, 1/4 cup, and a 1/4 cup of Panko Crumbs. All right, and Panko can be a bit plain, so of course, I like to season it up. So I'm going to just use a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and some oregano, all right? And I'm just going to add that. Now, some people like cheese in it, but my husband doesn't. So if you want to add a little bit of Parmesan, Asiago, Romano cheese, you can do that too, all right? So all we're going to do is just make sure this is, it's nice and hot. My grill is hot. I'm just going to bring it over so you can see I'm making some asparagus too. And all you're going to do is just take it and put it in, all right, just like that. That's it. You don't need any egg or anything else. It will hold, okay, nice light breading, and you want to hear a nice sizzle, okay? And that's all you do, and you just repeat and keep doing it till you finished. If you find that you need more crumbs, then you just add more crumbs, all right? But you just want it light, okay? You just want a light batter on it. And I find this to be plenty. And this is great for your family, if you're having people over. It's super delicious, easy, fast. You can have it with pasta. You can have it with potatoes. You can add my marinera to it if you want afterwards. Or you can buy marinera and add that afterwards as well. And then you can even add some cheese. Okay, last piece, and you saw there was enough crumbs. And the panko will give it really nice crispy texture. Okay, and I even have some crumbs left over. Now the other thing I like to do while it's on the grill is make sure it's on a medium heat, and then I like to just take a little bit more olive oil spray and just spray it again, okay? And you're gonna let it cook for a few minutes on each side. And I'm just getting my towel because my hands get really sticky. So, you know, watch it carefully. Just check it with your tongs, okay? And make sure that it's well cooked. You can use any skillet. I have this rock grill. I absolutely love it because it has two sides, a flat side and the other side has grooves. It's from Costco. I don't work for Costco. I teach special ed, but I just love this grill because it's so versatile. You can use it for so many things, and you can even put it in your oven. So if you make this ahead of time and you have company and you know your other side dishes aren't ready yet, you can just stick it in the oven as well. How great is that? So honestly, it only takes a few minutes on each side. I put on 2 outlets on it so that you can get this whole grill because it's really big, okay? And I'm making with it some delicious steamed asparagus. And in the oven, I have from the Little Potato Company these delicious roasted potatoes. I'll show you. They're practically ready, but look how good those look. And I'm going to do a video on those very soon. But really easy: onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil, whatever seasonings you love. Oh, and they are ready. So I'm just going to cancel and turn it off. And then we're going to turn this over. I'm just going to show you how I want it to look when they're done. And I'm still going to cook the other side, but I just want to show you that you'll see that it's nice and crispy. It's a nice brown color, and they are just super delicious. I'm going to turn them over now because they're definitely ready. You can see, okay, only a few minutes on each side. And you don't want to overcook them because you want them to still be moist. And then I just take it again and spray it. And that's it. So I just wanted to show you that you can make my marinara. You can use Rayos, which is one of my favorite marineras. Just eat it like that. Have it with mashed potatoes, pasta, throw it in your salad. I have tons of other side dishes, my friends, so check them out and tell me what you think. If you would change it up, keep it the same, tag me, share my channel with others, because sharing is caring. And after losing all this weight, 130 pounds, and keeping it off, I've been trying to pay it forward and help other people on their journey. So let's pay it forward. Tell people to subscribe and share it on your social media too, okay? Love you guys. Mwah. Bye for now. Just getting my clicky. Bye.